Who is permitted to operate a forklift? Before you can use any type of powered industrial truck, OSHA requires that you be fully trained, evaluated, and certified by a competent instructor. Your certification process will include formal instruction and interactive discussion on safe operating procedures, practical training on the type of forklift to be used, and how to use it safely in your work environment. Plus, a comprehensive evaluation of the operator's performance in the workplace. This training may be held at any time according to the following guidelines. The content of the refresher training is identical to the initial training. Powered industrial operators must be given refresher training and reevaluation if observed to be operating in an unsafe manner, involved in an accident or a near miss, determined to need retraining by management, called upon to operate a different type of powered industrial truck, or to operate under changed workplace conditions. Operators must be reevaluated at least every 3 years according to the standard in order to ensure retention of operator knowledge and skill. Should the evaluation show deficiencies, the operator is required to be retrained. There are many types of forklifts, with the most common being counterbalance and narrow aisle. Now, these vehicles are available with many different features. Some are specifically designed for indoor or outdoor use, depending on their size, type of tires, load capacities, and working environment. Counterbalance forklifts are generally used in heavy construction, shipyards, loading terminals, and warehouses. Narrow aisle forklifts or loaders are indoor vehicles. Now, these forklifts are often used when lifting requirements are less demanding and in areas where the aisle space is limited, such as warehouses or retail stores.